Hi everyone. Now we are going to see about how to use NeatPatrol Heatmap system. Heatmap is a pictorial representation of occupancy level of people on a floor diagram. Log in as a user. Here we are see the dashboard with available sites with zones. When click on the zones it will display the floor plan in the bottom width. When click the toggle button it will display zones with heatmap plotting. To create these type of heat map we need to follow the steps. First we need to create site. Go to Site Management Site Master. It will display the existing sites. When click New Site it will display a pop-up to add new site. After key in the required details click the Add Site button. The new site will display in the grid. Next we need to add floor for the site. Go to Site Management Floor Plan Master. It will display the existing floors in the grid. To add new floor click the Add New Floor button. It will display a pop-up to add new floor. After save the new floor it will display in the grid. Next we need to upload floor diagram for the floor. Go to Floor Plan Upload. It will display the selection bar to select site and floor. If floor plan already available it will be displayed, otherwise we need to add the floor plan using Upload New button. Select the floor plan diagram and it will upload in the system. Next we need to add checkpoints in the floor diagram. Go to Checkpoints. It will display the selection bar to select site and floor. If checkpoints already available it will be displayed, otherwise we need to add the checkpoints. Using a click on the floor diagram, it will display a pop-up to add checkpoint information. We need to add the sensor ID which obtained from Agent Vi. Click the Save button, it will display the checkpoint on the floor diagram. Next we need to draw the zone in the floor diagram. Go to Zone Master and select particular site and floor. It will display the floor diagram with checkpoints. Draw the zone and click New Zone button. A pop-up will displayed. Key in required information. We need to add the sensor ID which obtained from Agent Vi. Save the zone. These are the steps to be followed in Heatmap application. Added zone will displayed at the bottom of floor plan. Newly added site with zone will displayed in the dashboard. Thanks for watching.